Okay.
Don't let me see them. Right. You've got to remember them though. Okay? So I'm going to put them back in the pack. Like this, you see. So I can't see possibly what they are. But you've got to remember what they are. How long do you think you can remember for? Okay, well, we'll see how long you can remember for, shall we? You are magic, aren't you?
Yeah, I know something.
Okay, well, give me your magic hand and press the magic, press very, very hard, and while you're pressing, I want you to think of the cards. Okay, right, I think that magic's worked. So now we know what your cards are, don't we? Don't we? No. How are we going to find out what your cards are? There's lots of cards here. But, you watch. Oh no, it's not working. Oh, it is working.
I see that.
Oh, it is working. Are they the right cards?
I saw how you did that.
All right, you do it now then. It's a very, very easy trick.
I know.
Do you know how it's done? I bet you don't. But I'll show you if you want.
I know how it's done.
You know he's doing it.
He says he knows.
I'll take 2 cards then. Right, I've got 2 cards. Right, I know what they are.
Strange language.
Turn slightly.
Where would you like to go?
Hold the pack and I'll put the back
Turn
in.
slightly.
Are you trying to get the belly?